My name is Irene Osagai, and I just want to say that I used your quick facts to study for my NCLEX, and I passed my exams July 25th, and I am so grateful. I'm now an RN. I just want to say that I'm a repeat test taker, so I initially took this test on the 14th of May, and I failed. So I was really discouraged, and I was thinking, oh, it must be the resource that I had used, because at the time I was using ACHA, and it had a lot of volume and a lot of learning to do, and so I've watched so many long videos. So when I came across your V2 program, I did the free trial and I liked it, and I downloaded the booklet, but at the time, because I spent so much money on ACHA already, I didn't buy the V2, but I bought the quick facts because so many people had testified on your YouTube channel about it, so I had to have it, and I married it together, and together with my study partner, and we studied together for many hours. We followed your timetable. We studied together for many hours every day, and we did it together. We passed together, and I can't thank God enough. I liked your program because you are a faith person, and that motivated me. I was so demotivated when I didn't pass the first time. So I mean, meeting you and you speaking all those verses, and me writing I can, I will, I must all the time, that made the difference. Your quick facts is straight to the point. There was no beating about the bushes. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this? What is this and what is that? And that was what we saw on the NCLEX, because I and my partner, we wrote it on the same day. We chose the same day, and we passed together, and we just give all the glory to God. Thank you so much for this. Did I mention that I'm a mom of 5 kids, and that it was really a hectic time, nursing school and then passing the NCLEX, but we did it. With God, all things are possible. And I just want to let other people know that with God, all things are possible. Nothing is impossible when you trust and you hope in God. Thank you so much for putting these quick facts together, and it really made a difference. Thank you so much.